Hi guys, welcome to the new video. Hope you all are doing good. And in this video, I'm going to give you a in-suite room tour at Limelight in Liverpool. And if you would like to book this room, the link is in the description box below for Amberstudent. All you need to do is click there and you will be redirected to their website. And once you give your contact detail, the Amberstudent team will contact you within few hours and they'll help you to book this room. And now let's start the video without wasting any time.